What if I told you that the heavy, aching sensation in your legs and that constant feeling of fatigue aren't just inevitable signs of aging, but are actually urgent distress signals from a circulatory system that is starving for oxygen? For those over 60, your arteries are like the plumbing in an old house. Over decades, mineral deposits and fatty plaques build up, narrowing the pipes until the flow becomes a mere trickle, putting you at a massive risk for heart disease and restricted mobility. But there is a biological reset button, hidden in specific nutrients that can actually scrub those arterial walls and widen your blood vessels in a matter of hours. Today, we are going to explore the top 3 superfoods that act as a natural industrial strength cleaner for your cardiovascular system, including one specific drink you should be taking every morning to increase blood flow in your legs fast. To truly understand how to fix your circulation, we first have to look at the inner skin of your blood vessels, known as the endothelium. This microscopic layer of cells is the most important organ you've probably never heard of, because it produces a miracle molecule called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is what tells your arteries to relax, expand, and let blood flow freely. As we cross the age of 60, our bodies naturally produce about 75% less nitric oxide than they did in our 20s, which is exactly why our arteries become stiff and brittle. This stiffness is the root cause of high blood pressure and that heavy leg feeling known as peripheral artery disease. Our first superfood and the base of our miracle drink is the humble red beet. Beets are essentially concentrated nitric oxide precursors. When you consume beet juice, your saliva and stomach enzymes convert the natural nitrates into that gas that forces your vessels to dilate. This isn't just theory. Clinical studies have shown that drinking beet juice can significantly improve walking distance for seniors with leg pain because it delivers oxygen to starving muscles faster than almost any pharmaceutical intervention. However, you can't just eat one beet and expect a miracle. It's about the delivery method and the timing. Drinking it on an empty stomach in the morning allows those nitrates to hit your bloodstream quickly, providing a vessel-widening effect that lasts throughout the day. But clean arteries require more than just widening. They require the removal of the sludge that causes the narrowing in the first place, which brings us to our second superfood, the avocado. Many people in the older generation were taught to fear fats, but the monounsaturated fats in avocados are the primary fuel your body uses to sweep away LDL, or bad cholesterol. Think of LDL as the sticky debris on your arterial walls, and HDL as the garbage truck that carries it away. Avocados are one of the few foods that naturally increase your HDL levels while lowering the oxidative stress that causes plaque to harden. Furthermore, avocados are a massive source of potassium, which is critical for seniors because it helps the kidneys flush out excess sodium. High sodium is the enemy of blood flow because it causes your body to hold onto water, increasing the pressure against your artery walls and causing tears that eventually turn into dangerous blockages. By adding half an avocado to your daily routine, you are providing the lubrication your cardiovascular system needs to keep everything moving smoothly. Now, while we are widening the vessels with beets and cleaning them with healthy fats, we have to address the most dangerous part of arterial health, calcification. This is where the plaque in your arteries becomes as hard as bone, making it nearly impossible for blood to pass through. This is where our third superfood comes in, fermented foods like natto or high-quality grass-fed dairy, which are rich in vitamin K2. Most people know about vitamin D, but vitamin K2 is the traffic cop for calcium. Without it, the calcium you eat through your diet or supplements doesn't go to your bones. Instead, it settles in your heart valves and your leg arteries, turning them into stone. Vitamin K2 activates a specific protein that literally pulls calcium out of your soft tissues and shunts it back into your skeletal system. This decalcification process is the closest thing science has found to reversing the aging of the heart. To maximize these benefits, you must also avoid the artery cloggers like processed seed oils and refined sugars, which cause the inflammation that makes plaque sticky in the first place. Imagine your body as a high-performance engine. You wouldn't put cheap, dirty fuel in it and expect it to run forever. By combining the nitrate power of beets, the cholesterol, clearing fats of avocados, and the calcia, regulating properties of vitamin K2, you are creating a triple threat defense against aging. You will start to notice that your legs feel lighter, your breath comes easier during a walk, and your blood pressure numbers begin to stabilize naturally. This isn't just about living longer. It's about having the physical freedom to enjoy your life without being sidelined by poor circulation. In summary, protecting your heart and clearing your arteries after 60 relies on boosting nitric oxide with beets, managing cholesterol and sodium with avocados, and using vitamin K2 to keep your vessels flexible and free of calcium buildup. If you prioritize these 3 superfoods, you are giving your circulatory system the best possible chance to thrive. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.